We are told a bag contains red counters and blue counters only. The number of red counters to the number of blue counters is 3 to 4. Part A has asked us to write down the fraction of the counters that are red for 1 mark. Okay, so the fraction of counters that are red is going to be the number of red counters divided by the number of counters as a whole. Okay, the number of red counters from our ratio is 3, and the number of counters as a whole is 3 plus 4, which equals 3 over 7. So we can write 3 over 7 in our answer space. This part is worth 1 mark, and you get 1 mark for an answer of 3 over 7. Part B has asked us to write the ratio 12 to 30 in the form 1 to n for 2 marks. Okay, so if we begin with 12 to 30 and we want to get it in the form of 1 to something else, we know on the left hand side we are dividing by 12. This means on the right hand side we need to divide by 12 as well. Okay, so what this means is that n will equal 30 divided by 12. Okay, we can do this using division. So 30 into 12 like that. First, how many 12s go into 30? Well, that's 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Remainder of 6. We will bring down a 0 here, add a decimal place. 16 to 12 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. And overall, that leaves us 0. So our answer is 2.5 as such. Okay? Now, we just need to write our final answer, and we need to write it in the form 1 to n. We haven't been asked what is n. We need to write it as 1 to n. So therefore, we're going to write this is 1 to 2.5. This part is worth 2 marks. The first mark comes from knowing that you need to do 30 divided by 12, as we have here. And the second mark comes from writing it in this correct form as 1 to 2.5.